Prime Minister Modi urges collective effort, national unity to tackle global challenges. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called for collective effort and national unity in the face of global challenges. He said he had spoken at length in Parliament and held detailed discussions with chief ministers about tackling the crisis arising from the ongoing West Asian conflict. Speaking after inaugurating the first phase of Noida International Airport at Jewar in Gautam Buddha Nagar district of Uttar Pradesh yesterday, the Prime Minister appealed to the people to face this crisis with a calm mind and patience, calling it the greatest strength of Indians. Mr. Modi reiterated that what is in the interest of Indians and in the interest of India alone is the policy and strategy of the government of India. He expressed confidence that all political parties will lend strength to the country's united efforts. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.